If there's a foodborne illness outbreak and a product regulated by the FDA is suspected, we conduct a traceback investigation. The CDC, state, and local health departments interview patients and may test patient samples to determine if there is a link to a specific food. This could include genetic testing of pathogens in samples from patients. The FDA is informed if an FDA-regulated product is suspected. The FDA, CDC, state, and local partners follow up at locations where patients reported eating or buying food, including restaurants and grocery stores. We review menus, ingredients, and check records to see where ingredients came from. The FDA then works backward, focusing on where and how the food got from the point of exposure to the consumer. Food can change hands many times before it is bought by consumers. All points of the supply chain, from farm to fork, are reviewed. This may lead to inspections of facilities that handle and process food. We may go back to the source of the ingredients to conduct an inspection. For example, we may inspect a farm where a raw ingredient was grown. We may collect environmental and product samples during an inspection. If a sample tests positive for a pathogen, the FDA will determine if the sample is related to the pathogen seen in samples from the patients. We do this using a DNA technology called whole genome sequencing. When there is enough evidence from the investigation, the FDA warns consumers about the implicated product to protect the public health. We also work with the affected company or companies to recall the product. If the FDA and its partners identify the source and cause of the contamination, we can work with the company to help prevent contamination in the future. It's important to note that every outbreak investigation varies. Some of the steps we have described may not apply to every investigation. Consumers can follow the FDA on social media and sign up for alerts at www.fda.gov.